Come on, put it in there. You know how to do this. Uh-oh. Try again. You have to hold on to it, buddy. You're playing with me today. Let's go. Almost. Don't bite it. Oh. Now you're playing. Now you're playing with it. Come on. You just want your fingers instead? Oh, Max. Oh. Come on. Put it in there. It's frustrating, huh? We were doing it before. Good job. Leave it in there. Leave it in there. Oh, you're playing games. You're playing games.